Well, hello, everyone. We are going to show you today how to use Jarvis to set up your Facebook ads. And so what we're going to cover today is going to be a few things. We're going to cover the headline for the Facebook ad. We're going to cover the actual ad copy for the text. And then we're going to go to select our creative, the actual graphic that you will see once you put the ad together. Okay, so I've put together a actual template for you to kind of walk through this. So the first thing we're going to do is in step one, we're going to click on the name of the template so that we can make a copy of it. So it opens up, and then we go to file, make a copy, and then we're going to rename it and click OK. So now this takes us to a good, clean working document that we can have on our own, okay? So we're gonna go back to our instructions, and then we're going to actually copy a few things from our challenge that we've already done. So we're gonna copy the name and the description, and we're gonna place it into our template. So here's my template. And here's another document where I have my actual name of my challenge. So I'm going to go and copy it and then just place it here. Now I'm going to go and copy the description and place it here. So what we're doing is just giving us some copy and paste flexibility so we don't have to keep on going back and forth to find the information, because we want to use the same information twice. And it makes it real simple to do that. So next, we're going to go to another tab, and we're going to open up Jarvis. Click your login. Okay, and once you're into logins, you get to this screen. And then we're going to make sure that I am in my project here. Okay, so I don't want to be in somebody else's folder. So on templates, we're going to go down to our Facebook ad headline. Click here. And here is where we will input our information. So we're going to clear it out real quick. Okay, so now we go over to our document. We're going to pull the first thing, which is our title of our challenge. Place it here where it says company or product name, paste it. Now we need the product description. So we go back to our template here, pull the description of your challenge, go back to Jarvis, insert it here. Okay, so for the tone of voice, you can use someone who is in your industry, who's at the top of their game in the industry that you look up and admire, or you can actually put an adjective there. So professional, witty, educational, salesy, dramatic, emotional. Those are different types of words that you can use for the tone of voice. So I'm going to use Marie Furlio. I like her information and the way she writes and stuff, and it's kind of my style. And then I'm going to increase the inputs to 8 and then click Generate AI Content. So you see how we've come up with all of these different headlines. So I am going to click this second one here. So I'm just going to copy this to the clipboard. And then I'm going to go back over to my template and simply paste the headline here. Okay, so next we go back to Jarvis here. And we click on templates to the left, to the right. And then we go down right below it and click on Facebook ad primary text. So here, we're gonna, anything that's in there, we're gonna get that out. So here's where we put the same information as we did before. So you go back to your template and you pull the actual, you copy the name, place it here where it says company name or product. Go back to your template, pull the description, go back to Jarvis, place it here. Once again, I'm going to use Marie earlier. I'm going to increase my inputs to 8 and then click generate AI content. So see, it's just that simple. So I am going to go with this first one. I like it. So I'm going to copy this to my clipboard, go back to my template and insert here. So I'm going to erase this because this is not my website. And then this will be considered your call to action. So I'll just move this down here to call to action. So we are complete and finished with our ad. So now, next part is to get the actual creative, the ad, actual promo graphic that we will see. So we're going to do a few things here. Number one, we're going to open up a new tab and go to iStock Photo. And here, we're going to type in a type of picture that we want to see. So I am all about launching a digital product. So I'm going to click in digital product and see what pops up. I'm going to click on signature. I want the best quality images. So I'm not really finding anything I like. So I'm going to go be more specific and say ebook. So this will be a great picture. We have good, clean white space to the side. So since I like that picture, I just clicked on it, made it full screen. I'm going to go copy the URL, go back to my template here. For photo, put that. And then here's the actual size. And then I will need my actual text overlay. So I'm going to type in. And so this will be the text that I use on my actual picture for my ad. And I'm going to simply do this. Are you ready? Use the same text. Boom. So that is it. We are complete with using Jarvis to create our Facebook ad text. And here we are. This is our ad. Thanks for joining me.